Hi, I'm AC Lockyer, the owner of SoftWash Systems, the world's largest exterior soft washing and sanitation network. With this current coronavirus pandemic, I just wanted to explain to you how we can deploy our over 220 in-network companies worldwide utilizing this state-of-the-art soft washing equipment to sanitize your property. Hospitals can be the absolute cleanest places in our community, but oftentimes there are areas that are overlooked. Benches, waiting areas, outdoor congregating areas can remain completely unsanitized at times. And we know medical instruments and indoor areas should be sanitized, but these outdoor areas should as well, according to the recommendations of the CDC. And SoftWash Systems stands ready to help hospitals lead the way in their communities. Our SoftWash Systems in-network companies have achieved a specific certification to help with this viral outbreak for sanitizing your surfaces. And if you'd like to engage one of those companies, go to our website and click on the locator page. We have 220 companies worldwide ready and able to serve you.